This will be our opening of our Mary Kay Clear Proof System. So let's get to opening. See what we have in here. We have all of the great awesomeness to clear this face up, because I don't know if you saw, but got a little bit of acne going on. This is our before. We'll see what happens later on when we give this a try. We'll tune back in later and see what we got going on.